Alright, about to get ready to demolish this RV. Right now I'm removing all the windows. Then I will go around and I will remove all of the little light bulbs inside if I need to. Any glass or mirror, stuff like that. And then I will disconnect the AC unit from this thing, which you disconnect it from the bottom. All these bolts here, there's some screws that hold this plastic cover on. Then there's usually like 4 or 5 bolts that hold the AC unit down. Take the AC unit off, then we will probably take the refrigerator out. Everything else can stay. This is plastic. See, this mirror needs to go. I just don't want to have to deal with picking up little pieces of glass, because that is no fun. See all the glass? This is all glass. I don't want to deal with that. A lot easier taking the window out than sweeping glass. Once you get this cover off, which is just held in by screws, and then there was 3 10mm bolts. One went there, one there, and one there. Then all you have to do is cut the wiring, and the whole AC unit lifts off. If you're trying to save it, you just unplug it. Here, I'm just gonna cut it. Sure if this one has metal in the frame, but it might. Sometimes they're just all wood, but sometimes they have metal in the framing of it. And the way this is crunching down, I'm pretty sure it does. Which sucks because it takes a little bit longer to sift through all the crap on them. I see metal in the framing. It's no fun. Careful when you're doing these refrigerators because they're full of ammonia. You don't want those things exploding on you. And if you do hit one, hopefully you have a cab with AC. If you do hit one of these refrigerators and bust it loose, hopefully you're in a cab. If not, that stuff will get you, and it like makes it hard to breathe for a minute. I've had it happen to me once. Door has metal on it, but I'm not going to waste my time with it. It's too much time consuming. It's too much. Mash this all up the best I can, and then go inside and cut some of this wiring out. It just becomes a pain in the butt. You go to pull something and the whole wall decides to go, and that's not what you were trying to do. There'll be a stove right here. There it is. Get that out of here. Usually I pull the AC units off. I'm just gonna do that. That was perfect. Came right out. You also don't want to hit the AC units too hard because they're full of Freon and you don't want to deal with all that crud. This is a big piece of metal here. I'm gonna lay this down.